Project management and portfolio. Clarison covers a remarkable 95% of portfolio and project management attributes. This is phenomenal given that other PPM for professional service automation solution cover an average 72% of attributes for this module and leads to a substantial advantage for Clarison. Scheduling and planning resource. In resource planning and scheduling, Clarison covers 90% of functions and features. This gives Clarison software a minor yet noticeable advantage over other PPM for professional services automation software, which cover an average 82% of functionalities for this module. Clarison is a viable option in the resource planning and scheduling domain. However, it is not the best performer. The top competitor offers 100% coverage in this module. Contract management. Clarison support 93% of opportunity contact and contract management functionalities. Other PPM for professional services automation packages on the market average 50% coverage on this module, meaning the Clarison software system has a major lead here. Time and expense management. Clarison offers, let's say, about 90% of coverage of time and expense management and functionalities. This is superb coverage that noticeably surpasses its competitors, which average 79% support for this module. However, Clarison is not the best performing in time and expense management. It is surpassed by the top solution, which support 100% of the features. Let's move to budgeting, expense management, and billing. In this module, Clarison supports over 96% of the attributes. This is superb, given that software's rival cover on average 80% of budgeting, costing, and billing features and functions, and amounts to an appreciable advantage for the Clarison software system. The third-party involvement integration module, Clarison has a satisfactory coverage, supporting 78% of attributes. The average support offered by other PPM for professional service automation software suite is 72%. This gives the Clarison software a slight yet observable advantage in third-party integration. Product technology. Clarison supports 60% of product technology characteristics, with this weak coverage below that of its average competitors consisting of like 65%. The Clarison software has a modest yet observable disadvantage. Okay, let's move to financial implications and differences in Clarison. Clarison has a number of options offered for business that have varied needs. One of the first things that struck me about Clarison was the level of detail and information that interface provided to your user or manager. But in comparison to other project management tools, this provides easy access to the data required without having to drill down multiple navigations or menus, and can tailor views and the informations as well. They also offer like variety of prices. The professional edition goes for like $30 per user per month, and it varies by the type of edition, by enterprise edition, unlimited edition as well. They also do offer a variety of variety of options business that have varied needs.
Discuss about the industries using Clarison. As we discussed above, Clarison is a cloud-based collaborative work management solution which is designed for enterprise-level project managers, IT organization, and professional service team. It enables users to define the scope and size of project, estimate resources and workforce requirements, and also how to align team members on a centralized collaborative platform for communication, document sharing, progress, and issue tracking, and also for cost control. Some of the features offered by Clarison include tools for managing budgets, milestones, task, issue status, and expense, as well as client portal. Clarison is an ERP technology that offers solutions in the following. It is mainly used by medium-sized or large businesses. It is also used by manufacturing industries. Looking at Clarison customers by industries, we find that computer software and information technology services are the larger segment. Computer software almost uses 27% and information technology services are 77%, which are the larger segments industries using Clarison. Different types of companies using Clarison. We have data on 1,146 companies that use Clarison. The companies using Clarison are most often found in United States and in the computer software industry. Clarison is most often used by companies with 50 to 200 employees and greater than $1,000 million in revenue. Data for Clarison usage goes back as far as 4 years and 7 months. Most companies, that is 40% of the companies using Clarison are medium sized, and 39% are large companies, and 19% are small companies. Major customers. These are the major customers of Clarison, and as we all know, Channel, Disney, Whirlpool, HP, Nikon, Coca-Cola, FedEx Express are the customers of Clarison.
So now when it comes to the benefits, Clarison has a couple of them. So we have listed around 10 to 11 benefits of the Clarison company, and to name them, let's start with the interface. Clarison has an interface that is customizable and user friendly, and it is also result oriented and very effective. It has an end-to-end project dashboard and also come with a mobile optimization. Latest version comes with an advanced mobile and conditionized formatting options, and the program offers a fast and measurable ROI. So now it comes to the administration. It is very simple and easy. It is made possible with the availability of a clean interface. And also, the person using can only easily choose between a number of 6 views he and she could use to use. Enjoys an aspect of simplicity that can be attributed to the success of most projects. It also attains the accomplishable implementation in just minutes that does not really need training and preparation. It provides the continuity of a project, and the project have a out of box project planning as well as a design. Various corporate information is made available on the word go. This helps in limiting the time wasted and the energy spent in the production process. It also keeps team connected. The program does not need expounded on rules and deliberate standards. The allowance under its provisions are categorized in various licenses. This makes it possible for the team not to be overwhelmed by our expensive features they do not need. So by this, our presentation comes to an end. Hope you all guys get a better clarity of our presentation. Thank you for listening and have a good day.